Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up automatic bill pay using Cash App right from your devices. Let's get started. At this stage, you will be required to provide a card for the deposit. So please ensure that you have a valid card linked to your Cash App account before proceeding. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you are in, tap the profile icon in the right top corner. Now navigate to settings where we'll find various account related options. Scroll down until you see recurring payments or automatic payments and tap to enter. Here you will set the details for your automatic payments. Choose the payment frequency like daily, weekly or monthly depending on how often you want it to send. Next, enter the amount you would like to send on each cycle. Now select the recipient. You can enter the cash tag, phone number or email. Double check to avoid mistakes. Then confirm your payment method. If you already have a debit card or bank account linked, select it. Otherwise, you will be prompted to add one before proceeding. Finally, review all the details, frequency, amount, recipient, and funding source. Once everything looks good, tap confirm or set up. Cash apps will now automatically process this payment based on the schedule you set. Here I have attached all a step-by-step screenshot for setting up automatically bill pay on Cash App. That's it. Thank you. Subscribe for channel.